So yeah, first of all, congratulations na agad sa movie niyo po na How to Slay sa Nepo Baby. Kasi sa trailer pa lang, ang dami nang nag-aabang kasi kakaiba siyang movie. So being said that, how does it feel po na ang dami nag-aabang ng movie na to at ang daming magagandang reviews sa trailer pa lang?
Ayun, syempre po nagpapasalamat. Pero ano naman lagi ring may kaba pa rin nakasama kasi napaka-subjective pa rin ng experience ng pelikula siguro pang-apat ko na kasi itong pelikula. So at this point, I've learned na ang tunay na reward talaga, hindi naman yung reviews, hindi naman ang awards or whatsoever. Pero yung fact na kung ano yung klase ng environment na ginawa namin in shooting the film. Were we happy? Were we safe? Were we productive? So the fact na nagawa namin yun, parang doon pa lang, yun yung pinaka-pinagkapasalamat ko. Kasi everything other than that is beyond my control na rin naman. Pero thankful syempre sa positive reception ng mga tao.
Yeah, and being said that din, Direk, may pressure pa rin ba sa'yo na mag-blockbuster movie mo or manood ng mga tao?
Oo, lagi meron. Pero ano naman grounded na rin naman tayo. Alam naman natin na hindi na lang isa yung ruta kapag magbebenta ka ng pelikula. You can do it in cinemas, pwedeng sa streaming platforms. Ang daming pwede ikutan So, hopeful pero grounded.
Yeah, eto movie na po ba ito ni Direk? Kayo din po yung nagsulat?
Sinulat siya ni Alpha Habon initially, tapos I did a lot of the rewriting, lahat ng revisions kasi nag-busy na siya. So medyo nag-co-write din kami ultimately.
So since nag-co-write na rin po kayo dito sa movie, ano po yung mga parang dinagdag nyo dito or pwede nyo masabi na dapat abangan ng mga tao without spoiling the movie, of course?
Siguro nag-set ako na nag-agree naman kasi kami ni Alpha when we were writing it and even with the rest of the creative team when we were developing it, gusto ko maging campy siya. And isa sa pinakamahirap gawin yung camp Ang daming tao gustong umattempt gumawa ng camp. So yun, tinry namin na hopefully magawa namin. So we'll see.
And sa trailer po, ayun, thank you po. And sa trailer po kasi parang slasher movie nga siya. So mag-expect po ba kayo ng maraming bloods and gore dito sa movie?
Sa ngayon marami pang blood and gore. Depende to sa MTRCB. In the process pa rin kami ng pakikipag-anuhan sa kanila
So sana maano yung uncut?
Oo, sana. Definitely, siguro in the future, definitely may uncut version.
And Direk, since ngayon open na yung mga collaborations, like ngayon Viva with Happy Infinite, are you open to working with like Star Cinema or like with ABS-CBN?
Oo naman, definitely. I started actually in ABS-CBN. I was a production assistant for a couple of months and then I became an assistant director there. Right now, I'm doing a series with Jimmy. I worked with almost everyone actually. Nagawa na ako with Regal. So sobrang open naman. So, nag-iiba na rin naman yung structure ngayon ng industriya So, ang dami na rin bago talaga na working structures.
Yeah. And how about like working with Kim Pao? Are you open? Because they're very sikat ngayon sa mga movies nila. Series nila, yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim and Lin Lang. So, are you willing to work with them in the future?
Definitely. Actually, may isa kaming concept na nilapit sa kanila a couple of months ago.
With Kim Pao?
Oo, with Kim Pao. Pero hindi pa sure kasi yun nga, sobrang busy nila ngayon. So, pero definitely, I'm friends with Kim and Pao actually. So, sana.
Is it a movie po ba yung concept na binigay?
Oo, isa namin nilapit sa kanila.
Wow.
So, we'll see kung anong tunguhan.
Ano po bang pwede nyo i-share doon? Pwede nyo po ba? Or anong like genre po ba? Kasi ang dami din nag-aabang since super nung series nila.
Set in Japan na rom-com, pero mas mature rom-com. So, along the lines din ng mga nagawa ko na before. So, medyo cuddle weather.
Cuddle
Pero mas, syempre, toned down ng slight because it's Kim Pao. Syempre, mas nasa mainstream storytelling. Yun.
Ayun, nakaka-excite naman yung Direk. And lastly na rin, Direk, sinabi mo kasi na you're friends with both of them, Kim Chiu and Paolo. So, anong ba pwede mo share? Kamusta ba sila as, off-cam, working with them and as friends?
Sobrang bait. Si Kim, sobrang bait ni Kim. Napaka-hands-on. A couple of years back, we were supposed to do something together. I was developing concepts for her. So, sobrang niya hands-on. Tatawag siya directly kapag may kailangan. Si Pao naman, hindi ko sabihin ko anong film, pero may isa akong film na supposedly na-offer din sa kanya yung main lead na lalaki. So yun, parang nilapitan niya ako sa isang party ni Sir Deo, late Sir Deo, na sinabi nga niya he was interested in the project pero hindi na natuloy. So hopefully, in the future, matuloy na.
Yeah, sana, abangan po namin yun. Have you met recently po ba yung Kim Pao?
Recently, hindi. Not personally, pero puro lang.
Baka may na-share po silang love life. Kamusta may love life?
Sayang, wala kaming personal interactions recently.
Yeah. Sige, invite everyone na lang po to
invite everyone. Please watch How to Slay a Nepo Baby. We'll be showing in cinema starting July 31. Sana po makanood po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Direk.
Salamat.
Congrats.
Thank you po.
How does it feel watching it for the very first time in full? Gusto napapanood sarili ko pero nag-enjoy ako na nag-enjoy yung mga nasa tabi ko.
Nakagulat, iba yung feeling na mapanood ulit sa big screen.
Naka-ilang face kayo. Panoorin nila para mabilang nila.
Yes! Pero na lang.
Pero how does it feel hearing the reactions lang of everybody?
Nakakatuwa na naaliw sila, tumatahimik for a while, tapos natatawa ulit. Ang umiiyak, daming emotions na nangyari dito sa pelikula. Parang nakasakay ng roller coaster.
That's true, Pao. Pero nakakataba ng puso yung init na reaction sa mga tao dito sa sinihan. At sana ma-experience pa ito na mas maraming manonood in the next coming days. Thank you guys. Salamat!
Iba po, mamaya na lang bumaba. Baka maano po tayo. Iba po, maya na po bumaba.
Yung pinaka-latest ano nila, Gen Z. Batangas. Yes. Okay. So again, we would also like to remind everyone, nakikita ko naman na lahat ng phones nyo ay naka-record. So don't forget to post and use our hashtags. Hashtag My Love Will Make You Disappear and hashtag MLWMYD, the world premiere.
Ang inabang pa natin siya ng other reactions. Kung kayo, siyempre before, naka-record na sila, hindi rin makita mga reactions. Pero after, yung haba, masaya na, smiling the whole time, we will see in just a few moments